Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a super long time, but I am back. As you can see, the background is part of why I have been gone for so long. I've been kind of working on having a better background for my videos. There's also other aspects that go into why I haven't been making videos. I guess I'll go ahead and name those things really fast so you guys can understand why I'm back making videos. Again, it's my background, just kind of trying to upgrade everything. Also, I've just been going through some stuff and I'm finally, I guess, in a better place and I'm ready to start making my videos again. And also, I was kind of stuck on really what kind of content I wanted to put on my YouTube channel, and I finally am set on something and I finally have a list of videos that I'm ready to do. And yeah, and I think another big thing is that I was almost forcing myself to put on a bunch of makeup for a video and then I would take it off right away. And I don't want to do that. You know, I don't want to feel like I'm forcing myself to make a video by putting all that makeup on, because to be honest, I don't wear that much makeup on a regular basis. Honestly, I wear the bare minimum as I possibly can. And that's what I'm going to be showing on my videos. It's just kind of minimal makeup or how to get ready fast. So just kind of in that range. I'm not really your full face glam kind of gal, so I am sorry about that, but that is just me. So yeah, for my video today, this is going to be my girl power makeup tutorial / talk. And I say / talk because another thing I want to be introducing into my channel is different talks about different topics, because I do feel passionate about certain things and I kind of want to show you guys what that is and also what you guys think of that as well. And so for my girl power talk, I just want to express how important it is to be nice to other girls and to, you know, help each other grow and glow. So yeah, that's going to be the video for today. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look and for the talk right after, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Hey guys. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Badescu rosewater spray, and then I'm going to go with the Almay Smartshade primer. I love this primer because it really helps to even out my skin tone and reduce redness, and also just kind of blur out any imperfections. And then I'm going to go in with the Neutragena Healthy Skin Foundation. This foundation is a little too light for me right now because I'm a little tan, but I'm going to go in with my fingers to apply that on my skin. I love this foundation because it goes on really smoothly and it doesn't break me out like most foundations. And now I'm going to go in with a Wet n Wild flat brush to just blend that out on my skin. Okay, and then I'm going to use the Maybelline Dark Spot Eraser or something like that to put under my my eyelids, not my eyelids, under my eyes with my fingers. And you notice I use my fingers a lot, and it's because it gives the most natural look and I try not to look like I'm actually wearing makeup. Now I'm going to use again that foundation brush to blend that out. And now I'm going to use the Neutragena Skin Clearing Concealer because this helps with any blemishes to conceal and make them go away. So that is awesome. And using the NYX HD powder and a Real Techniques brush, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes. And here I am realizing that I forgot to start with eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and give my skin some color with the e.l.f. Natural Palette bronzer and using a Morphe angled brush. At some point I will put eyeshadow on though, so get ready everyone. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids because we're going to put some eyeshadow on, finally. So I'm going to start with the Tempera shade in the Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm putting that all on my eyelid to kind of just get my eyelids ready for any other eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use the Buon Fresco shade, and it's kind of that purpley pink shade, to put on the crease of my eyelids. Then I'm going to use the shade Love Letter to focus on the corner of my eyes and kind of also putting it in the crease. And I'm using a Morphe fluffy eyeshadow brush to do so. I didn't show this because I forgot, so I'm very sorry, but it is Love Letter. And I'm just blending it all in with everything. Then I'm going back into that Buon Fresco shade to blend the Love Letter shade in a little bit more. Just because that shade is really, really pink and I don't want it to be too pink, I just want it a subtle pink. Now using a smaller brush, I'm going to go in with Venian Red and focus that on the outer corner and upper lash line. And now I'm just blending that into my eyelid and then again trying to reapply that Venian Red shade. And now going back into my transition shade, which is the Buon Fresco shade, I'm again just kind of smoothing out the edges. Now I'm going to go in with the blushes in the e.l.f. natural palette to give my skin some more color. Okay, so after this point it gets really fast, so I'm basically just highlighting my face using the Anastasia Glowkit and then putting some mascara on and then putting eyeshadow on the bottom of my lash line and then highlighting my inner corner and then setting my face, and that is all. Okay, and this is it for the Girl Power makeup tutorial. I wanted to just do like a subtle pink to kind of get us in that girly vibe for the talk that we have afterwards, so let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, and welcome back to the talk portion of this video. I am in a different kind of setup because I realized this was slightly easier for me and I kind of feel more comfortable with this one, so we're just gonna go with it. You're gonna be thrown off, it's fine. It's okay. So for this talk, I wanted to talk about girl power and what that means to me. So girl power, that means that girls need to be there for each other. I'm not a super crazy feminist. Like, I'm not like throwing feminism into people's face all the time. And I honestly don't think I would consider myself feminist. I just very deeply believe that girls need to be nicer to each other. We are literally the same gender and there's so many of us, and like it would just help us a little bit more if every girl was nice to each other and every girl was there for each other, and if we just, you know, like helped build each other up rather than bash on each other and just break each other down to the point where you believe you're superior than another girl. Like, that's not the point here. The point is for all of us to be happy and for all of us to be in a good state, like in life, and good state of mind. And if girls are just constantly just bashing each other, judging each other for things that themselves have gone through and know what it's like to be through that, like, we're not gonna get anywhere. So really in this video, I kind of want to talk to the people that know what it's like to be judged by another girl, and also to the ones doing the judging. So to my girls out there that have experienced like rude girls and just not nice girls, I just want to say that y'all keep doing you. Do whatever the heck you want all the time. Like, who cares? Who cares what any girl, any guy, anybody thinks? I don't know. Like, it really hurts my heart seeing like a girl judge another girl of something they do or however they look like. It really makes me so angry because I'm sure they've been through that. Like, you're a girl. You know what it's like to go through things that only girls go through. Just know that no matter what you do, they're gonna judge you. They will. But I guess it's really just up to you if you care. This is what they're feeding off of. They are feeding off of you just being sad and thinking, oh wow, like, they think this badly of me. Like, who cares? If you're rude to me, like, bye. I'm not having it. If you're nice to me and you want to be my friend, welcome you to my life, to my friendship. Hello. That's how it should be. Every girl should want to be friends with each other. Every girl should want to help each other and make each other better, make each other feel better, no matter what. Because we all go through things that only girls go through. So now, a message to you girls judging other girls. Stop. Stop. No more. None of that anymore. I don't know what else to tell you. What do you get from that? What do you get from being mean to somebody else, another girl? Just think to yourself, like, I wonder what this girl is going through today. Because honestly, I think about that every day, about anybody, girl or guy, whatever it is, young or old, whatever. Like, I always think, like, I wonder what this person's going through today. Like, I'm not about to make their life harder, their day worse. If they're having a bad day, I want to be the person to be, like, for them to think, wow, like, you know, even though I had a bad day, like, this person was so nice to me. That's what everyone should think. Am I wrong? I go on Twitter, Instagram, and I see girls bashing each other, and I'm like, no. I just get so sad, and I want to comment stuff, but it's not my business, so I don't want to do that. But it's just, like, what are y'all doing? Help each other, like, be nice. We've gone through heartbreak, we've gone through skin problems, we've gone through makeup struggles, we've gone through everything that only girls go through. So I don't understand where the clashing comes from. Like, we're all trying to be better, we're all trying to do the best that we can, so why bring those people down? I don't know. I'm getting way too heated. I know this talk wasn't a regular motivational talk, but it is my first talk, and I promise that my next ones won't be so angry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. That will be soon. I promise I will not disappear off of the face of the earth. I will continue to make videos from this point on for sure. I pinky promise. Well, that's it, you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.